Are you puzzled by auto insurance? Have you chosen the same type of coverage as your parents? Hello hustlers, I am Brian from Financial Club. In this video, I'll explain what auto insurance is, and how it works, and the precise steps to determine how much car insurance you actually need.
Spoiler alert, you could save a lot of money if you stick around, so stay tuned.
If you're new to the channel, do yourself a favor and subscribe. You're missing out right now. What is auto insurance? Auto insurance is an agreement between you and the insurance provider that covers you from financial loss. If you have an accident or your vehicle is stolen, the insurance agent promises to cover the damages, as specified in your contract, in return for the payment of a premium. The following are covered by auto insurance. Number 1. Property, for example, damage to or theft of your car. Number 2. Liability. Liability refers to your legal obligation to others in the event of bodily harm or property damage. And 3. Medical. Medical expenses include the cost of treating injuries, rehabilitation, and, in some cases, lost wages, as well as funeral expenses. Policies are generally issued for 6-month or 1-year time frames, and are renewable. The insurance company sends a notice when it's time to renew the policy and pay your premium. Who is covered by my auto insurance, and under what circumstances? Your auto insurance policy will cover you and any other family members on your policy, whether you are driving your own car or someone else's, with their permission. Your policy also covers you if someone who is not on your policy drives your car with your permission. If you're commuting to work, doing errands, or taking a vacation, your personal auto policy just includes personal driving. It will not cover you if you use your car for commercial purposes, such as delivering pizzas. If you use your vehicle to offer transportation to others, through a ride-sharing service like Uber or Lyft, your personal auto insurance would not protect you. However, several auto insurers are also offering supplemental insurance plans that expand coverage to car owners that provide ride-sharing services at an extra cost. Is it mandatory to have auto insurance? State by state auto insurance provisions differ. If you're getting a car loan, the lender can have additional conditions. Almost every state mandates that car owners have. Number 1. Bodily accident coverage. This insurance covers the expenses of accidents or deaths caused by you or another driver while driving your vehicle. Number 2. Property damage liability. Property damage insurance pays for damage caused by you or another driver in your car to another vehicle or other property, such as a fence, house, or utility pole. Furthermore, several states mandate that you carry medical payments or personal injury protection. Hospital premiums, also known as personal injury prevention, are a type of insurance that reimburses you for medical costs incurred by you or your passengers. It would also cover missed salaries and other costs associated with the situation. Uninsured motorist coverage. When an accident is caused by a driver who does not have car insurance, or in the case of a hit and run, uninsured motorist policy reimburses you. You may also buy underinsured motorist coverage, which would compensate for expenses if another driver does not have enough insurance to cover the costs of a major accident. Even if personal injury insurance and uninsured motorist coverage are optional in your state, consider adding them to your policy for added financial security. What are the most popular forms of auto insurance coverage? 1. Collision coverage. Although most general, legally required auto insurance covers damage caused by your vehicle, it does not cover damage to your own vehicle. Consider the following optional coverages for your own car. 2. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage protects you from theft and harm caused by events other than collisions, such as arson, flood, vandalism, hail, dropping rocks or trees, and other hazards, even an asteroid strike. 3. Glass coverage. Windshield damage is a normal occurrence, and glass shielding protects you from it. Glass coverage with no deductible is available on some auto plans, and it covers side windows, rear windows, and glass sunroofs. You may also purchase additional glass coverage. What is gap insurance and do I need it? Collision and comprehensive insurance just cover the market value of your vehicle, not the price you paid for it, and new vehicles depreciate rapidly. There could be a gap between what you owe on the vehicle and your insurance policy if it is totaled or stolen. To cover the difference, you may want to consider buying gap insurance. Gap coverage is normally bundled into the lease payments for leased vehicles. You may have all the necessary knowledge about auto insurance, but finding the right auto insurance can be a hectic task. So here are some key factors to take into consideration. You're able to shop for insurance once you've figured out how you use your car and what your goals are. Comparing plans from at least 3 different insurers is generally a smart idea. You'll want to think about the basics, including coverage and price, but you can also look at potential insurers. The following are the most crucial considerations. When choosing an insurance policy, make sure to compare apples to apples. The types and amounts of coverage should be consistent with all of the policies you examine. When one policy offers $60,000 in property loss insurance compensation, another just $40,000, and a third $90,000, it can be difficult to compare policies. Let's evaluate the price and deductibles for better understanding. Price would of course be a major concern when comparing insurance plans. You may be shocked by how much rates differ, so get some quotes. Look at the payment plan in addition to the premium price, the real expense of the policy. Will there be an additional charge if you pay monthly? Is there a discount if you pay for the whole year at once? When you're comparing prices, keep in mind the deductible, the sum you'll have to pay out of pocket before your policy kicks in. In general, choosing a higher deductible would lower your premium. At the end, we have also analyzed insurance companies. While price and coverage are important considerations when purchasing auto insurance, it is also important to consider the reputation and financial stability of prospective insurance providers. To begin, ensure that an insurer is licensed in your state by visiting the website of your state's insurance division, where you can also review information about consumer complaints filed against insurance companies. You can also look at review websites and ask friends about their insurance experiences. Finally, take a few moments to ensure that prospective insurers are financially sound. This information will be provided by financial rating agencies. Ratings information is frequently provided by online tools. And with that, hustlers, here we are at the end of our today's topic. Do you enjoy this video? Have you ever bought a car insurance policy? Which auto insurance would you buy? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I am your host Brian, and thank you for being a part of Financial Club, and we'll see you back tomorrow.